kids, good morning to all. All are ready? Today we will continue lesson number 7, addition. Have you ever noticed our maths lesson's name? Which is our 9th lesson, lesson number 9? Yes, that also addition, more addition. So what we have to do? We will add both the lessons together. After that, we will start our 8th lesson, subtraction. Okay? Addition. What we learned in the last class? All understood? Just check first. We learned picture addition. Picture addition. What is picture addition? This is picture addition. Then addition in number line. Addition in number line. Number line. Okay, 2 plus 2 is equal to what? Start from 2. 1, 2. What is the answer? 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Addition using circles, lines and fingers. Right? All understood these topics? Picture addition, addition in number line, addition using circles, lines and fingers. In this class, we will learn ordering addition, addition using our mind. What we learn? Order in addition or addition using our mind. First we learn ordering addition. Suppose if you change the order of numbers, for example 3 plus 4 or 4 plus 3, what is the answer? Answer 7. If you change the order of the number 3 and 4, 4 and 3, the answer does not change. If we change the order of numbers, the answer does not change. That means two numbers can be added in any order. The sum remains the same. See here, two numbers can be added. Here, which are the two numbers? 3 and 4. In any order. And we here change the order. 3 plus 4, 4 plus 3. The sum remains the same. What is sum? Sum क्या है? Sum means the result of the result of addition. The result of addition is called sum. The result of addition. What is the result of addition? What is the answer? Result means answer. What is the answer here? 7. 7. The sum remains the same. The answer does not change. Understood? Shall I take more examples? Okay. Question number 1. 7 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus dash is equal to dash. Question number 2. Dash plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 5 dash. Question number 3. 6 plus 2 is equal to dash plus 6 is equal to dash. Question number 4. 1 plus 6 is equal to dash plus 1 is equal to dash. See the first question. 7 plus 3. Which are the two numbers? 7 and 3. We have to change the place of the numbers. Here 3 come first. Which number is remaining? 7 is remaining. So write 7 here. Then 3 plus 7. What is the sum? What is the answer? 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Question number 2. Dash plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 5. Here which are the numbers? 4 and 5. So in first step 4 given. Here which number is remaining? 5 is remaining. So you have to write 5 here. Then add this number. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Question number 3. 6 plus 2. 6 is given here. So 2 is remaining. So fill up with the 2. And add this number. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 1 plus 6. The numbers are 1 and 6. Here 1 given. So 6 is remaining. 6 and plus 6 plus 1. 7. Clear? Now next topic. What is the next topic? How use our mind while adding. Using with our mind. Using our mind. For example, 4 plus 2. Can I write 4 plus 2 in vertical order? See, 4 plus 2. Which is the biggest number here? Biggest number means bada number. Here biggest number is 4. So, you have to keep biggest number in your mind. Here 4 keeps in your mind and take out 2 in your finger. Then count after 4. After 4, 5, 6. What is the answer? 6 is the answer. Listen. Here I written two numbers 4 and 2. We have to plus. We have to add these numbers. 4 plus 2. Here which is the biggest number? 4 is the biggest number, right? Which is the next number? 2. So keep the biggest number in your mind. 4 keep in your mind and take out next number, smaller number in your finger. Here I took which number? 2. 2 fingers I took. Then what I have to do? I have to count after 4. Here 4 is the biggest number. So we have to count after 4. 4 के बाद गिनना है. After 4, 5, 6. 6 is the answer. We will do more examples to understand this concept. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2. Here which is the biggest number? 7. So what we have to do? 7 keep in your mind and take out 2 in your finger. Then after 7, 8, 9. You will get the answer 9. 4 plus 5 is equal to what? 4 plus 5. Here which is the biggest number? 5 is the biggest number. So keep 5 in your mind and take out next number. Next number is 4. Take out 4 in your finger. Which number we kept in mind? 5. Right? So we count after 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the answer I got here? 9. Next question is 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9. What do you have to do? We have to check which is the biggest number. Here which is the biggest number? 9 is the biggest number. So we have to keep 9 in your mind and take out what is the next number? 3. 3 in your finger. Then after 9, count after 9. 9 after 9 के बाद क्या आएगा? After 9, 10, 11 and 12. What is the answer I got? 12. 1, 2, 12. Okay, अभी हम लोग क्या लर्न किया? We learned addition of single digit number 3, 4. Single digit number. We learned single digit number. Now we will learn two digit numbers and one digit number. One digit number. Suppose I have 23 plus 4. Here in first question, first number, 2 digits number given. We have to add one digit number, that is 4 to 23. This is the question 23 plus 4. First you have to write T for tens and O for ones above the question. 23 plus 4. See here, 4 only one digits. When a number is in one digit, the number is in the ones place. Listen, when number is in single digit, the number is in the ones place. That means number 8 digit है तो वो कौन सा प्लेस में जाएंगे? ones place में जाएंगे. Here 4 I written in ones place. Now addition always start in ones place. We will add ones place first. 3 plus 4. Which is the biggest number? 4 is the biggest number. So we have to keep 4 in your mind and take out 3 in your finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. Where we have to write 7? In ones place we have to write 7. Now what is the next step? See the tens place number. Here, which is the tens place number? 2. In second step, there is no number. That means 0. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. What is the answer I got here? 27. See, 2-digit number and 1-digit number addition. Here I wrote 23 plus 4. First what we have to do? We have to arrange these numbers invertically. Before that, we have to write T for tens, O for ones be above the numbers. Then write 23 first. In first step, we have to write first number, and in second step, we have to write second number. Here second number is in 1 digit, so its place is 1. First, we add ones place. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Ones place added. Now check tens place. In tens place, only one number given, so we write it as it is. 2 plus nothing means 0 means nothing written means 0. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. The answer is 27. Let's practice with more examples. Question number 2. 13 plus 6 is equal to what? First write T O. What is the first number? 13. 1, 3. Now second step, which is the number? 6. So we have to write 6 in ones place, then put plus symbol below the 10. Plus it here in ones plus, start from ones place. Here which is the biggest number? 6 is the biggest number. So we have to keep 6 in your mind and take out 3 in your finger. Then after 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 write in the ones place. Now ones place addition over. Now next look tens place. Which number is given? 1. In second step no number. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So the answer is 90. Question number 2. 42 plus 5. First we have to write T O. 4, 2, 5 in tens place plus symbol. Here which are the numbers in ones place? 2 and 5. So what is we have to do? Biggest number keep in our mind. Which is our biggest number? 5 is the biggest number. So we have to keep 5 in our mind and take out 2 in your finger. After 5, 6, 7. So write 7 in ones place. Ones place addition over. Now next step tens place. Here which number came? 4. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. What is the answer? 47 is the answer. Understood? Question number 3. 33 plus 6. Now, what do you have to first? First we have to do T, O. T 4 times, O 4 once. Then write 33 in first term. Next term, you have to write 6 in ones place. Then use plus symbol. From where we have to start? We have to start in ones place. 3 plus 6. Which is the biggest number? 6 is the biggest number. Keep in your mind and take out next number in your finger. Which is the next number? 3. 3 हाथ में ले लो, fingers में ले लो. 3. Then here which number we kept in mind? 6. 6 हम लोग माइंड में रखे, तो उसके बाद का नंबर हम लोग हाथ में गिनना है. After 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have to write 9 in ones place. Clear? First up clear? Now move to tens place. In tens place, which is the number? 3 only given. So we have to write as it is 3. The answer is 39. Understood? Here, homework 7.3 and 7.4 in textbook. Textbook. In workbook, page number 38 and 39 workbook. This is your homework 7.3 and 7.4 in textbook in worksheet page number 38 and 39.